Hello, dear students. Welcome you all for the 10th session of third chapter of Business Taxation 4, that is GST 6th semester, Mangalore University, BCom. So, in this session, we are going to work out one illustration on taxable value for services. So, my presentation for this session will include one illustration on computation of taxable value of services. So, let us directly go to the illustration. So this is the illustration which I have taken from Mangalore University BCom 2018. Let's read and discuss the illustration one by one. So from the following details, compute the value of taxable services and GST payable for the month of March 2019 if the rate of CGST is 9% and SGST is 9%. So first one is services related to supply of farm labor. So remember, services related to supply of farm labor is exempt from tax, no GST for that. Then services provided to foreign diplomatic mission. Again, any services provided to foreign diplomatic mission, it is exempt, not taxable. Then aerial advertising, definitely it is taxable. Then services by way of private tuitions, again it is taxable. Then speed post services. So speed post services is a taxable service. Then house given on rent for residential purpose. So it is a rental income. It is income from house property. It's not a. It will not come under indirect tax or GST. So not applicable. Then value of free services rendered to friends worth 7,50,000, completely taxable. Certification for exchange control purpose, again it is taxable. Then secretarial auditing, yes it is taxable. Liquidation fees, taxable. Vacant land used for horticulture, it is not at all service. So it is not a service, so it is exempt from GST. Then sale of time slot by broadcasting organization is taxable. So let's work out the solution for this problem. So computation of taxable value of services and GST payable particulars and rupees. So let's write one by one. First one, services relating to supply of farm labor. So services related to supply of farm labor, it is exempt. So let's write exempt. Second one, services provided to foreign diplomatic mission. So again it is exempt. Third one is aerial advertising. Aerial advertising. So it is taxable. Value is 1,80,000. Fourth one is service by way of private tuitions. It is taxable. 1,70,000. Next one, speed post services. So it is taxable. 50,000. Next one is house given on rent for residential purpose. So it is a direct tax. So it is not applicable. So let's put dash. Then seventh one, value of free services rendered to friends, 7,50,000. It's taxable. Let's write here. So it is 7,50,000. Next, eighth one, certification for exchange control purpose, again taxable. 2,50,000. Then secretarial auditing, taxable. So 25,000. Next one, liquidation fees, 3 lakh, taxable. Next one, vacant land used for horticulture, it is exempt. So it is not applicable, not related. GST will not be levied under that. Next one, last one, sale of time slot by broadcasting organization, 5 lakh, taxable. So total value of taxable services, so let's total it. 1,80,000, 1,70,000, 50, 7,50,000, 2,50,000, 25, 3 lakh, 5 lakh. So it's 22,25,000. So now we have to calculate the GST payable. Let's calculate GST payable. So to calculate GST, we should understand what is the nature of transaction. For that, we should go to the problem and see what is the nature of transaction. So from the following details, compute the value of taxable services under GST payable for the month of March 2019. If the rate of CGST and SGST, they have given in the problem itself, it is CGST and SGST, 9%, 9%. So it is intrastate transaction. So we have to calculate 9%, 9% each. So total rate is 18%. So let's calculate taxable value of services is 22 lakh 25,000. So CGST at the rate of 9%. So that is 22 lakh 25,000 into 9%. So SGST also at 9%, 22 lakh 25,000 into 9%, that is again 2 lakh 250. So total taxes, let's total this both. So therefore GST payable is 4 lakh 500. Total GST payable is 4 lakh 500. So that's all from this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.